Hello, it's MCB right now, and I'm going to draw you a cat. I just drew this one earlier. So yeah. I'd advise you to get a piece of paper. If you have one pencil that doesn't have an eraser, get one with an eraser. You will need one. And of course, for your outlines, a Sharpie. Wait, never mind. Oh yeah. A Sharpie. 2 pencils. A piece of paper. Okay. Let's begin. Hang on. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna draw out the steps and show it to you. Oh, and you will need colored pencils. Okay. You will need, well, you need to draw a oval. For the ears, you might just want to go like this, and just go across like that, and down, and then for the, yeah, that. Then you will need an oval that looks like a sausage, or for me a hot dog, because a hot dog will like, well, I really don't care about now. So far we have an oval, a head, and an ear. So, draw a neckline. Here comes the pencil and eraser. The necklines I drew were crappy, so I'm going to redraw them. Now for the other ear. So we now have 2 ears and a body. Now for the tail. And I will draw the fluffiness and erase the crappiness soon. Very soon. Okay. So, now we have this. Sorry, I'm just checking the time. Okay. So, So, what I just drew was the tail and the right back leg. Ah, rolled off my leg. And it used to be right there, but I expanded it because I needed to fit both of the cats. Front paws in the thing because I suck at drawing front paws. So, yeah. Never mind. Okay then. So, yeah. Stay tuned for drawing the cat part 2.